Hi guys, I'm Kurt VanDusen, and today we're going to learn about ViroReact, which is an open source AR VR package for React Native that makes it super easy to get started making AR for Android and iOS mobile apps. This video will assume that you already have a React Native environment installed on your computer. Great, so let's get started. Now, if you just Google ViroReact, you're going to find the old repository from Viro Media. And this is deprecated, so you don't want to use this one. Instead, search for Viro Community, which is the library which is currently being maintained, completely open source, with an MIT license. Here on the GitHub for Viro Community, you can see some of the projects they have. And we're going to use the starter kit today. The starter kit will give us everything we need to show some AR on our mobile app. In order to clone the starter kit to our Mac, we want to select this line and copy it from the code clone. Now we're going to need a terminal on our Mac. We're going to change directory to our code. This is just a file directory I've set up ahead of time. So I've navigated to a directory I've named GitHub, and this is where I'm going to clone the ViroReact. So I just type git clone, and then I use Command V to paste in our URL, and I hit enter. Cloning starter kit. So it's already done. If I go back to Finder here, I can hit Command Shift H to go to my home directory. Here's my code directory, GitHub. Here's where I've cloned our project. So if I click into that, you can see this is the same file structure that we had here on GitHub. Everything is just duplicated on our local environment. So now we can install the node modules. Going back to the terminal here, I want to change directory to starter kit. When you download or clone up package from GitHub, it's not going to have the node modules included with it. The node modules are the open source packages that are required as dependencies for your project, but we can install them locally using the command npm install. Great, so now it's downloading all the dependencies, and it will automatically install them in a folder named node modules inside of our project starter kit. Looking back at our Finder, if I explore the files here, I can see there's a new folder called node modules, and that's where npm just installed all of our dependencies. So it's full of these files now, which are all open source packages from npm required to run our AR. Great. Step one is completed. Now we want to see if we can open it, run it. To do that, I need to first change the permission on my Gradle file. So chmod Android Gradle wrapper, Gradle W. Oops. And I want to change that to 755. We need to actually have a physical device because the built-in Android emulator from Android Studio is not going to work with AR because it actually has to have the hardware camera, the AR core, in order to function properly. I'm using just an Android phone, and I've already set up the developer options on that. So when I plug the phone in with the USB cord, it's going to ask to allow data, and I'm going to allow it. Okay. Phone's connected by USB cable to the Mac. Let's navigate back to our folder. Now we type the command to run the app on an Android device, and that is npx react-native run-android. You can see here that it's installed the debug variant on my phone. On the phone now I can see that the bundle is loading. That's Metro serving the JavaScript bundle to the React Native app on the phone. We can see that on the other end here in our Metro terminal that it also shows it's delivering the bundle, and now it shows it's completed. So when I hold up the phone here, you can see Hello World is now floating in AR. And it's as simple as that. We've created the starter kit demo version of Viro Community Starter Kit. All right. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for listening. Be sure to click subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Have a great day.